सो हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज वर्षा एंड वेलकम बैक टू मास्टरमाइंड। तो गाइस, जैसे कि तुमने इस वीडियो के टाइटल में देखा, इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो हम लोग यहाँ पर तुम्हारा जो एलिवेटर चैप्टर है ट्रेजर चेस्ट का, इसका यहाँ पर हम लोग जितना भी एमसीक्यूज है वर्कबुक का क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। तो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो होने वाला है, वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना। जितने भी 2025 ऑनवर्ड्स बैच स्टूडेंट है, तुम सभी के लिए वीडियो इंपॉर्टेंट होगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वीडियो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एमसीक्यूज़। तो यहाँ पर देखो, तुम्हारा वर्कबुक का जो कि क्वेश्चंस है, यहाँ पर जो एमसीक्यूज़ है उसको लेकर इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। सो क्वेश्चन 1 तुम्हारा यहाँ पर एमसीक्यूज़ का होने वाला है। चूज द करेक्ट आंसर्स टू द क्वेश्चन from the given options. So there are 4 options given for each and every question. So let's start. सबसे first question क्या है? Which of the following statement about the elevator in Martin's building is not correct? तो कौन सा not correct है? Please do not miss this not. तो तुम्हें यहाँ पर क्या करना है? जो कि not correct है, incorrect है, वो हमें यहाँ पर select करना है। There was poor lighting, its walls were dirty, its door could stay open for long, and fourth one is it could carry only 3 people. So which one is not correct? This is correct, this is also correct. Here number C is not correct, so option number C is the right option here for question number 1. Its door could stay open for long. It could not stay open for long. Now next question, that is question number 2. Why was the narrator gasping for breath when he reached his home? So here the right option is option number B. He was gasping for breath because he used the stairs to reach his home on the 17th floor. So option number B is right for question number 2. Moving ahead to question number 3 now. Question number 3 का question क्या है? What was Martin's fear about the elevator in his building? So what was his fear? First one is it would stop suddenly. Second is he would be trapped inside it for hours. He would be bullied by others in the elevator. This is not correct, but these two are correct. So here the right option for question number 3 is option number D. That means both A and B. So both A and B are the correct options. So option number D is correct. Now moving ahead to next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 का question है, which of the following is incorrect about the lady who entered the elevator? So यहाँ पर इसका incorrect बोला गया है question में। तो यहाँ पर तुम्हारा she had no chin but a huge mass of neck. This is true. It is given in your book. Description of the old lady is there in the book. Next is she had sharp brown eyes. So here option number B is correct. She had tiny but sharp eyes. ये तुम्हारे बुक में mentioned है regarding the old fat lady, but this is not mentioned, so this is particularly incorrect. So question number 4 का जो आंसर है correct option, that is option number B. Moving ahead to question number 5, let's discuss quickly. Why did Martin feel ashamed of himself when he returned home after school? So why was he ashamed of himself? For being afraid of an old lady. So option number A is correct for question 5. Moving ahead to question number 6 now. Martin said it wasn't possible. What was it that Martin felt like a nightmare? So here the right option is seeing the lady for the second time in the elevator. It was like a nightmare for him. He was very scared. So option number C is right for question number 6. Moving ahead to question number 7. What did Martin's father say when he told him about the lady? So what did he say? He told him to ignore the old lady. So Martin should ignore the old lady. This is the right option. So option number B is correct for question 7. Question number 8 का question क्या है? How did Martin's father feel when he, that means Martin, fell down and broke his leg? So here he felt, इसका क्या होगा? He was very silent and apathetic. So option number C is correct for question number 8. Question number 9 क्या है? Why did Martin feel secure in the elevator after he returned from the hospital? Because his father was with him in the elevator. So option number B is right for question 9. Moving ahead to question number 10 now. So question number 10 का question क्या है? What did Martin plead with his father when he left him alone in the elevator? So to let Martin accompany him. This was what he pleaded for. So option number A is correct for question number 10. Now the second last question from your MCQs part. So question number 11, choose the option that lists the sequence of events in the correct order. So here there are different list of things given. You need to arrange them according to the sequence. तो यहाँ पर टोटल 4 चीज़ लिखा हुआ है, तुम्हें यहाँ पर sequentially अरेंज करना है। तो यहाँ पर कौन सा कब हुआ, कौन सा पहले हुआ, कौन सा बाद में हुआ इंसिडेंट, उसको यहाँ पर तुम्हें अरेंज कर कर लिखना है sequentially. So here the right option for question number 11 is option number B, that is 3, 1, 2, 4. First this thing happened, then 1, then 2, then 4. So here question number जो 11 है इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज राइट. एंड नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट shows the correct relationship between statement 1 and 2 from the elevator. First statement is given, what am I going to do with you, Martin? Honestly, now you are afraid of some poor old lady. This was the statement that was told by his father. And here second statement that is given is, Martin started running down the stairs. The stairs were dark and he fell down. This is when he was scared of the old lady. He started using the stair and he did not see properly, and then suddenly क्या होता है, he fell down from the stairs. So यहाँ पर तुम्हारा 1 is the cause for 2. So 1 is the cause for 2 is right. So option number A is the right option for question number 12. तो हमने यहाँ पर जितना भी तुम्हारा बुक का MCQs है फ्रॉम द एलिवेटर चैप्टर हमने डिस्कस किया. नेक्स्ट हम लोग आगे का जितना भी यहाँ पर चैप्टर्स है वो सारे चैप्टर्स का हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, वर्कबुक का सॉल्यूशंस. सो टिल देन स्टे ट्यून. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. और इसके साथ साथ अगर तुम्हारा कुछ भी डाउट्स है तो डेफिनेटली तुम लोग मुझे नीचे कॉमेंट करके पूछ सकती हो. अच्छे तरीके से प्रिपरेशंस करो फॉर योर ICSE 2025 बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.